DietPi versus Raspbian Lite. Which lightweight OS is right for your Raspberry Pi? When it comes to running a Raspberry Pi headless or for a minimal project, choosing the right lightweight OS can save you both performance and hassles. These two are the two most popular minimal distribution designed for speed, efficiency, and low resource environments. But which one should you choose? Let's go ahead and explore. Now, let's start off with a DietPi. This is an ultra lightweight Debian based OS optimized for single board computers. It focuses on performance and automation, offering a streamlined setup experience with a guided software installer and pre configured optimizations. Pros: extremely lightweight, boots with a smaller memory footprint than a Raspbian Lite, comes with DietPi software tool for easy online installations of apps, pre-optimized for performance, for example memory and CPU tweaks, easy to automate, and script setups. Drawbacks: so there is less official support from the Raspberry Pi Foundation, smaller user community, not as beginner friendly if you want the Raspberry Pi tools. So Raspberry Pi OS Lite is the official minimal image of Raspberry Pi OS without a desktop interface. It's built directly for Raspberry Pi hardware and maintained by the Raspberry Pi Foundation, offering high compatibility and stability. Pros: officially supported and maintained by Raspberry Pi, great community with Pi hardware and accessories, huge community with lots of documentation and tutorials, ideal starting point for custom headless projects. Cons: no built-in software installer, manual setup is required, slightly more resource hungry than DietPi out of the box, and fewer performance optimizations by default. Final verdict: so choose a DietPi if you want maximum performance, easy automation, and a super lightweight system for advanced projects or tight resource environments, or go with Raspberry Pi OS Lite if you prefer official support, stability, and compatibility, especially if you're new to Raspberry Pi or want to follow official guides.